everybody. Welcome back. I haven't heard this song in forever. I thought this would be a great song to do a quick tutorial on. So it's not too difficult. There is quite a few different parts. It is tuned a half step low. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do the tutorial a half step low, just like the album version. But then towards the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and stop. I will tune to standard. And I'm going to go ahead and play it that way too, just so you guys can not have to tune. I know it's kind of inconvenient sometimes when you're looking up a song and you have to change the tuning. So people most of the time are in standard 440 when they're coming across different things like this. So the song is a half step low. I'm going to play it and do the tutorial that way. At the end of the video, I will go ahead and tune for you guys to standard and play it through that way so everybody can have a go at it. So let's go ahead and get in a little closer and see what chords we're going to need to make this song. Okay, so in this song we do have a few different parts. We're going to start off with we have an intro, verse, we have a pre-chorus, we have a chorus, and then we have a bridge. So that's the 4 sections I'm going to break this song into. So we'll go ahead and do the intro, verse. So the intro and the verse, same thing, just plays through. So for this, we're going to need just 4 chords. We're going to start off on a G, played just like this. We're going to go to an A minor 7, which is just A minor, but we're just lifting up this guy here. So again, just those. Then we're going to go to a C add 9, so we're just playing the C root note here and adding that guy there. So that's going to be our C. And then we're going to go from a G to a D over F sharp. So those are the chords that we're going to need. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through the verse here with you real quick. Intro verse. Okay, so that's going to bring us to our next part. So the next part we have is the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus is, we're just going to need 3 chords. We're going to do the full A minor, and we're going to do then to an E minor, and then we're going to do that again. So then we're going to go A minor to E minor to D. So that's going to sound like this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the 2 parts together for you so you can hear the transition between the 2. So from the verse into that pre-chorus. So here we go. That's going to take us into the chorus. The chorus is very similar to the verse. So when we actually start the chorus, there's 2 halves to the chorus. So the first half is going to be identical to the verse. So it's going to go from the G to the A minor 7 to the C add 9, G to D over F sharp. Here's where it changes. Now instead of going back to the G, we're going to go ahead and just go to an E minor. minor 7. So that's the only change. So the only change there, when it repeats, we're using the E minor to start the progression the second time. And yeah, so E minor, A minor 7, to the C add 9, to the G, to the D over F sharp. And then the way he gets out of the chorus, he just plays a portion of the verse. So you're going to end on the C, so this is the little post-chorus. And then it comes back in. So you stole my world. Back to the verse. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll just get out of the chorus and go back into the verse for you, even though they're pretty much the same, but because there is that little post-chorus, I'll go ahead and just get you out of that. So. That's going back into the verse 2. Okay, so then the only other part of the song that we're going to need to learn is the bridge. So for the bridge, we are going to start off on this F. So the bridge, we're going to break it into 3 sections for you to try to make it easy. So first section is going to look like this. It's going to go F to G to C, and then we're going to walk to this B, and then to the A minor. So that's going to be the part 1 for this. So that's going to sound like this. It goes. Second part is going to be F, but I can't take it, so yeah, so let me go rephrase. I was trying to give you the words at the same time, so it's okay, so what we did there, we went from F to G to E minor, back to F. And then that's second part of the bridge here. The third part is going to go F. So we are going to end that measure on F and then start the next one on F. And this one's going to go, it's the same as the first one, but it just ends a little different. So it's... That's going to bring us back into the verse. So the third part of that, again, is going to start off on F to G. So yeah, I hope you can see that there. I'm going to go ahead and run through that bridge for you. So all the way through, so that way you have a good idea how that's supposed to sound. So it's going to go. So yeah, let's go ahead and run through that whole entire bridge because there is the 3 parts. I kind of just gave you the outro there with the words, the outer part of the bridge there. So I want to try to remember. Okay. All right, so that's the basic 4 parts that make up this song. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to stop the video real quick. I'm going to tune to standard, and I'm going to run through those parts with you one more time. Okay, I went ahead and tuned here to standard, so I'm going to just run through quickly the 4 parts here in standard tuning for you. All right, verse, again, G, A minor 7, C add 9, G to D, with the F sharp root, so the D over F sharp. It's going to go ahead and sound like this. Okay, that's going to take us to the pre-chorus, which is just E minor. We're going to start off on the A minor, E minor, A minor, and then it's going to go E minor to D. So we're going to go ahead and go from the verse into that pre-chorus for you. Okay, that's going to take us into the chorus. So the chorus in standard tuning, we are just like the verse. We're going to play it twice. We do have a little post-chorus lick that he does to get back into the verse. So it's just like the verse. So we're going to do the G, A minor 7, C add 9, G to D. When it goes to repeat the second time, we're going to use E minor instead of the G. And we're going to go through that progression again. And then the third time is just the post-chorus lick that he does. So I'll go ahead and run through those right now for you. Post-chorus lick. It ends on the C. back to the verse. All right, and that's going to bring us to the bridge. So the bridge is just broken up into three sections here. So we're going to start off on F to G, C. We're going to walk that root up to the B, to the A minor. That's going to be part one. So the part two is going to go C to G to E minor to F. And the third part to that's going to go F to G, just like the first part. C, walk to the B, A minor. But halfway through this A minor, we're going to just hit the G, and then we're going to go to an F for the outro, and then let the G ring. And that's going to bring us back into the verse. So I'll go ahead and run through that real quick for you here. Man, I can't sing, so I tried to mumble some of the words just to give you a feel how that goes. So that was the song in both standard tuning and the original half step low tutorial. So please like and subscribe.